Could a black hole devour us all one day? There are millions of them out there just waiting. What would we see if we got pulled into a black hole? Could Earth orbit the Sun and a black hole? Would we survive spaghettification? Let's know what would happen if Earth gets swallowed by a black hole. Just 3,000 light-years from Earth is a black hole visible to the naked eye. Thankfully, we are a safe distance from this stellar black hole and many others like it. There are approximately 100 million of them out there in our galaxy that we know of. Black holes are the remnants of supernovae, which occur when stars 10 to 20 times larger than our Sun collapse in on themselves. Stellar black holes are fairly common and are about 16 kilometers in diameter. And then there's the much larger competition, supermassive black holes. These have a diameter roughly the size of our solar system and a mass greater than 1 million suns combined. Technically, a black hole the size of a 1 millimeter pin could destroy us if it was close enough to Earth due to its incredibly dense mass and extreme gravitational pull. Our survival all depends on whether we've surpassed the event horizon or not. Event horizon is the black hole's point of no return. Anything beyond this point would have to travel faster than light to escape. If Earth got close enough, the side nearest to the black hole would begin stretching toward it. Our atmosphere would start to be vacuumed up, and then huge chunks of the Earth would rip apart and follow suit. If Earth managed to fall into the orbit of the black hole, we'd experience tidal heating. The strong uneven gravitational pull on the Earth would continuously deform the planet. This would generate a tremendous amount of internal friction, heating the Earth's core to disastrous levels. And it would give rise to earthquakes, volcanoes, and deadly tsunamis. Eventually, Earth would begin to stretch in a process known as spaghettification. For an average-sized stellar black hole, spaghettification can occur several hundred kilometers away from the event horizon. But for a supermassive black hole, physicists believe this would happen inside the event horizon due to its size. Unfortunately, our whole solar system would be doomed. The careful balance of the Sun and our many planets would collapse, which could send them crashing into one another. All of the matter in our solar system would join the accretion disk around the black hole. As matter gets sucked into the black hole, it generates massive amounts of radiation. So, even if we somehow survived all the asteroids, we'd likely die from the radiation. We can't get any information out of a black hole. Would we get pulled into another dimension? End up in a parallel universe? Nobody knows. Is life around a black hole possible? Let's find out. For life to thrive, there needs to be a source of energy or a temperature difference. And a black hole can be that source. There's a catch, though. The black hole needs to have stopped feasting on any material or it will be emitting too much radiation to support life on any neighboring worlds. The amount of power received by the planet would probably be tiny compared to what Earth receives from the Sun. And the overall environment of such a planet could be equally bizarre.